Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, April 11th. Tough week last week, but the bears got to be fed. The E-mini S&P finished down 1% on Friday, taking down the week total down to 2.65% on the week, finishing at 1812, down 15 on that Friday session. Dow futures lost another 129 points on Friday, 15,981, and the Nasdaq was the big loser of the week, down 3% on the week at 3444, down 36 in that market. Currencies, we saw a little bit of a bounce of the dollar, 79.52. The euro currency down 4 ticks, 138.85, but did get as high as 139.03, so some new relative highs here in the euro. The euro did gain 190 ticks last week as the dollar has drifted lower. Bond market continued to strengthen as stocks continue to sell off, up 11, 134.25. 134.28 was a high on Friday, so did not close on the high, even though stocks closed down near their lows on that session. Crude oil added another 35 cents, 103.75, solidly above the 100 level. The high was 104.44 on the session. And gold, steady, lost $1.50 at 13.19. Gold did gain $15 on the week last week, and some solid follow-through as we maintain above the $1,300 an ounce level. All right, after the epic week last week on the downside, where did the market stand on this Monday morning to start a new trading day? Well, overnight we were lower. We did get down to 1803 in the E-mini S&P. Right now we bounced back. We're essentially unchanged at 1811.5, down a quarter of a point. Dow futures down 5, 15,976, and the Nasdaq's down 2 at 3442 as that stands right now. Dollar's getting stronger, 79.78, pushing the euro 138.24, down 61, holding that 138 level that we were going to want to watch. Let's keep an eye on the bond market. Bonds are seeing a little bit of unwinding, but not a whole lot. Down 3, 134.21. The yields on the bonds, because the prices have moved solidly higher over the last week, yields have really declined. On the 30-year, we're at 3.62, and on the highly watched 10-year note, we're at 2.48%, below the 2.5% yield on the 10-year note. Looking at crude, it's steady right now. We're relatively unchanged at the 103.75 level or so in that marketplace. And gold, as we stand, is up $4 at $13.24 in the gold market. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we've come back from overnight lows. We are steady. We're down a quarter of a point, 1811.5 in the E-mini S&P, and down 5 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.